Good afternoon, everyone. We're here today in Cape Canaveral, staying at the Hampton Inn & Suites. This one's also pretty unique, and it's got a Home2 Suites sharing with the Hampton Inn. So we're going to head inside and show you everything this hotel has to offer. And also, this hotel is literally like the cruise ship is like right there. Like if you're on a cruise, I'd say just a few miles on down the road there is the cruise terminals. So that being said, let's head on inside. As you come inside, it's a very nice check-in area. Check-in desk to your right. You have all the seats over here, plugs and USB, and this really cool color wall right here as well. When you come inside and see this color wall, you go to your left. There's the pool area right there. You continue on to your left, and this is the Hampton Inn breakfast area over here. Luggage carts are there, plenty of seating, TV. And this is seating areas plus the breakfast area for the Hampton Inn side. Very nice over here. Lots of seating and everything. More chairs, everything there. That's the pool area right there. More seating here in the middle. And they all have the same elevators. So elevators are right there, just to the left of the check-in desk when you come inside. And same thing as before, once you see that color wall, when you come in, make a right this time, and you come over to the Home2 Suites side. You have a huge market in here. One of the biggest markets I've seen for a hotel. We have everything you possibly want here. Mars water. That's interesting. Cold things, frozen things, cold drinks here, all kinds of stuff. And then coming over here to the Home2 Suite side, you see a lot more seating over here. We have a business center over here. And this is going to the Home2 Suites breakfast side over here. So breakfast over here, and breakfast over here. And they got coffee and everything out here. That color wall I've showed you a few times. If you come directly behind it, you come to this. This is awesome right here. There's some sitting areas over here and a TV. There's also some sitting areas back here and another TV. But you have an astronaut here. This is the Atlantis Starliner right here. So that's awesome to see the Atlantis Starliner right there. And you also have the astronaut right there next to him. Or next to it, excuse me. So you got the Atlantis Starliner on the left and the astronaut right there on the right. They have an awesome pool out here. Huge fire pit out here. There's a bar over there serving drinks and everything. A poolside bar is a pretty cool option. There's the main door coming in. That side's the Hampton Inn side. More seating and ceiling fans over here. That side's the Home2 Suite side. And they have all kinds of drinks, like chips, beers, cokes, alcohol, non-alcohol, everything you possibly want with that little bar there, and TVs and everything. And then here is the pool. Zero entry pool, some little bubblers right as you walk in. As you can see, there's plenty of seating all around the pool. And there's pool towels right over there, that little white cubby thing right there. This is a very nice pool out here. I love the fact you have a poolside little bar there to get cokes or chips or whatever else you may want to drink out there, but very, very nice. Our room is at the very end of the hallway, room 555. This is a King Studio Suite. Hello, Steph. You got a mirror right there on the wall. You have a wet bar, microwave and everything up here, a little sink, coffee, refrigerator down here. This is all as soon as you come in. You know, normal size fridge and everything. You do have plenty of room right here in the front. We have our luggage piled up right there. You also have a connecting room and places to hang your coat at. You do have a couch right over here. And I don't know if this is a couch bed. It is a couch bed. It's a full couch bed in here. You got some nice artwork on the wall right there. Lamp, table. Some cool more like artwork or color little things on the wall. That's cool. And then you have two windows in this room. This is what makes this the studio suite. It's a little bit larger. Got a place for your luggage right there. You got a desk right here in the middle to work at. You have a TV. View from the room. Nice view of the pool. And over on this window, you got a view of the lake over here. And then you got the king size bed here. You have a lamp and 2 tables on each side of the bed. 2 plugs, 2 USBs. I'm just going to show you really quick right here. This lamp also has a plug in it as well. Got a nice full-size mirror right there. 2 plugs, 2 USBs on this side, plus your clock over here. And this bathroom's got lots of space in it. Hello, everybody. Got the sink there, plenty of storage space on top. Got these little pull-outs right here, some towels. This side you get a hair dryer. Some of the amenities right there. You got a little place for towels right here. Back behind us, you got the iron and ironing board. Got your closet right there. Then turning back around, toilet. And the shower in here. If anybody want to know, these are the shower amenities in here. But a very good sized room and good sized bathroom. And we'll definitely be out on that pool probably tonight. That pool looks nice out there. And it's interesting, you know, I mentioned that in the intro, it's a Home2 Suites as well. So there's a Home2 Suites on that side, and we're on the Hampton Inn side. That's an interesting split that I have not seen before or stayed at before. Stephanie just showed me something I didn't even notice. I just noticed something else too. 2 plugs into USBs right there. So you got plenty of workspace and plugs, but Stephanie noticed this right here. You got storage right there. And then on the other side over here, you got drawers for storage too. There's a Bible there, so plenty of storage room here and everything. So it's like you still got the storage options. This one slides out too, it looks like. Yeah, it does. So plenty of storage options here, plus the couch bed and the extra space of this studio suite, as they call it. But a very nice room in here. That does it for our stay here at the Hampton Inn. Fantastic hotel, great staff. We really enjoyed our stay here, and it's so close to the cruise ship port. So if you're definitely going on a cruise, highly recommend this hotel. We got our little NASA spacesuit friend right there. And with that being said, the nerds are out.